Well, now this is via the Kampala Journal. They are saying a quoted message from Akol Anthony. They're saying it is good. I don't regret what I did to Zaake, and I could even kill him if I had a chance. He may be having mental problems and should be taken to Butabika Hospital. Kilak MP Anthony Akol, aka Muhammad Ali, is unapologetic for his action. This is via the Kampala Journal. Now this is a fact check. This is not true. This message did not come from Akol saying I could even kill him. This is very untrue, and I think Kampala Journal should stop being a propaganda network. It is good to send your agenda in the right way. We need to desist from such kind of disinformation. You never know what it could escalate into. Then you can start something that you may fail to finish. And then on the other hand, and also another update, the same thing about the development about Akol. One of Acholi blood by the name of Jock Okot said, Lutua, let's ignore the scuffle between Akol and Anthony and Zaake. It was not an Acholi versus Buganda thing. It was purely two uncouth, disrespectfully, emotionally mature, reckless and dishonorable individuals, both not deserving of the title honorable, not an Acholi versus Buganda conflict. That's the message, and I think this is the message we need to take, which Acholi High TV endorses people, both the Acholi and the Baganda, to accept without thinking twice.